It is my pleasure to officially designate Anchorage a Ford NGL community.
So today was our official Ford Next Generation Learning designation ceremony. As a district, we've convened the community several times, and now was the day where we finally submitted all our necessary paperwork and showed the Ford team that we have what it takes to do this program with fidelity. And we're proud to be the latest and greatest Academy model right here in Anchorage.
I can't believe how far we've come. The Academies of Anchorage started as a spark of an idea amongst a small group of educators and community members. They dared to ask the question, what if we did things differently? I'm proud to say that there are 26 different academies and 85 pathways that will be available to our kids next year.